Hi everyone! Today we have a festival look with hair and makeup tutorial. Here I already prepped my face with a primer and now I'm applying the foundation all over. Now applying the eye primer, and you can apply as much as you want under the eye because it needs to cover very well. I'm doing my eyebrows and you can see it's taking a while because I struggle with my eyebrows. I'm filling them in, and then I'm applying also a primer just so they can stay in place. Since it's a festival look, you want them to look full and strong. I'm correcting the eyebrows with a corrector, or you can do with the eye primer, so you can prep the eye as well for the color. This is the eye primer, and I'm also doing my lips so they can look good on the camera. We're gonna start with a purple, and I'm doing just the outside of the lid and trying to blend that in. And then I'm taking a clean brush and just blending that. The next color is going to be a blue. And I'm just trying to put them together and smudge them in the middle of the eye. You could do that on the whole lid if you want just the blue with purple, but I decided to go with a third color, and that was a bright yellow, just so I can make my eyes look bigger. After this, I'm applying a little bit more of the eye primer just to cover everything under my eyes if I messed anything with my colors. And I'm gonna go with an eyeliner. I chose a blue one just so it's gonna go well with the whole look. And you can do your eyeliner as long as you want. Since it's a festival look, you can go extra, of course, every time. I'm cleaning everything right now just so it looks clean. And then we're going under eyes with the same colors that we did on top. So first I chose a pinkish purple, and then I'm going with the blue just so it matches everything that we have on top. Now we're gonna put the eyelashes. Now I'm going on with the glitter, and you can choose whatever color you want. You can see I went for the blue and then the yellow glitter on top of that. After the glitter, you can use any type of jewels for a festival that you can put on your face, and you can do more just because I wasn't going on a festival that day. I didn't go for extra, but you can definitely do something more festival look. For the hair, we're gonna top it everything just so I have fuller hair, and then I'm doing my first two braids. So we're preparing for the mermaid braids. Here I'm doing an elastic to prepare to attach them to my own hair. You can do it the way that you want, and once you attach it to your personal hair, you're gonna do the braid in the back, you pull it in the front, and then you add hair to the second one, and obviously just doing elastic pull through every time, just so they look bigger. And I usually pull just the color parts, so not my own hair, so it doesn't come out, but just like the purple part, as you can see. So again, just put the back braid in the front, and then you pull this first one in the back, and you add your hair with an elastic, and so on. and just pull through. That's all the way down until you get to the last part where you attach your hair. And then for the part that we went down, I just did some little ball braids, and as you can see, I was taking out just the collar part, not my own hair, just so it looks fuller, bigger, and really nice. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're doing 2 braids and attaching the collar. Maybe you can see a little bit better here. I'm adding just more hair and just putting the back braid in the front. You can always slow it down if you can't see very well, so you can check how I actually did the adding part and everything. But just try to take out or pull through the color, not your own hair, because it's gonna look nicer. And then for the down part, same thing, just little balls of hair and just taking them out so they look fuller and bigger. And this is the final look that we have right here for a festival, based on basically purple, blue, and then we have some pink going on there, and then the glitter has some yellow parts. Thank you everyone for watching, and of course you can add to this hair and makeup style a very nice outfit so you can look fabulous.